Here's the shower kit that we got with the faucet, or the shower head. I accidentally marked the ceiling. Now, it does seem to hold water. This hasn't been on for days, but yeah, it seems to hold water in there. Oh well, everything was okay. I did have to mount the shower head, make a custom mount because we're in an Airstream. But it's all right, no complaints. This sucker seems to work. When we got it, this was a little bent in because of shipping, I think. I don't know if you can tell. But it was this side. I bent it back out a little bit. You can kind of see it's a little messed up. It seems to scratch pretty easy, but can't really beat the price. Here's it on. Hot water. It is a lot like like rain. It's not crazy pressure, but it's true to, the rain. Shower head, whatever. That sucker's got some good pressure to it, so pretty excited to use that. Like I said, it seems to drain out a little bit. But and this whole thing actually kind of puffs up, I just noticed. Watch that as I turn it on. Oh, let's see if we can. I don't know if you can tell. Like the whole thing kind of, it's the water pressure. This sucker is really thin. Obviously the water's moving throughout this whole kind of plate or whatever. But no, it's great. The installation went okay. I think I was supposed to cut that down a little bit. I don't know. But I had to get really ghetto, really awkward and weird because, again, I'm in an Airstream. But yeah, I ran this line all the way back behind and up to the shower head because I just wanted it over there. And this way you can turn it on and off without getting soaked. I hate it in our shower at our house. It's right here, and then you kind of get soaked and turn it on or off. But anyway, that's that. So right on, no complaints. Good luck with your purchase. And again, I think I messed up on this. I ended up having to caulk this when I'm pretty sure I just had that. Maybe I should have just cut an opening. I'm not sure. The instructions were awesome. It's totally just me. But yeah, I did get shark bite, the 3/4 or half inch NTP, or I don't know. But I got all shark bite fittings to put in there so that I could just push the pecs in, and stuff was really breezy. Same with right there. You got that type of fitting. Good luck.
going after it's off, but still.